Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by turning off your Conga 3690 and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel with your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the casing. Now you will see the battery compartment. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment with your soft cloth. This will help ensure a good connection with the new battery. Next, disconnect the old battery by carefully unplugging the connectors. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and connect it to the same connectors. Ensure that the connections are secure, as a loose connection can lead to performance issues. After connecting the new battery, it's time to reassemble the device. Place the back panel back onto the Conga 3690 and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any rattling or movement during use. Now, before you power it on, take a moment to double check that everything is in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Once you're satisfied, plug the Conga 3690 back into the power source and turn it on. You should see the device powering up, indicating that the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you get your device back in working order without any hassle. Finally, give your Conga 3690 a quick test run to ensure everything is operating smoothly. If all is well, you've successfully changed the battery. Remember, regular maintenance can prolong the life of your device, so keep it clean and check the battery periodically. Thank you for following this guide, and happy cleaning. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.